Actually, in our previous class, already we have discussed about the topics related to the CAD, CAM, and how we are using the CAD, CAM for the development of product and other things we have discussed. Can anyone recap the previous class?
Sir, in the previous class we discussed about NC, CNC and DNC, sir. If NC is connected with computer, it is called CNC. If CNC, group of CNC is controlled by a central computer, it is called DNC, sir. That's why it is.
Super. Actually, in our previous class, we have discussed about the development of NC. Based on the NC, how we are developing the CNC, and from that, how we are developing the DNC, and already discussed. Today, we are going to discuss about how we are developing the CNC, what are the basic components are required to make the CNC system, and as well as the separate control system. Because in our CNC computer numerical control system, because the control system is the major components required to control all the operations of our CNC. So today we are discussing about the different types of control systems. Basically, there are many types of control systems are there. First one is for open loop system, and the second one is for closed loop system, and hydraulic operated control system and pneumatic operated control system. These are all the different types of control systems are used in our CNC. Today we are going to discuss about the basic pneumatic control system and hydraulic control system. First of all, what is the pneumatic control system means? We have to use the pressurized air, which is used as a fluid medium. By using this kind of pressurized air, we can control the operations of like tool movement, like up and down movement, or we can clamp or unclamp in the workpiece. So this kind of controlling operations are performed by using this kind of pressurized air, which is called known as pneumatic control system. Then second one is for hydraulic control system. Same likewise pneumatic control system. Here instead of compressed air, here we are using the compressible fluids like either water or oil or pressurized oil, which is used to control the same movement or piece movement or transporting movement, which can be controlled by using this kind of control systems. Okay, go to next. So this is the general outer layout of the pneumatic control system. First of all, what are the basic components are required to make this kind of pneumatic system means? First one is for compressor. Here the what is the working of compressor means? We have to convert this compressor atmospheric air into pressurized air, so that compressed air will be directly sent to the FR unit. Here this is the FR unit. FR, which is denoted as filter, regulator and lubricator. What is the purpose of using filter means? We have to remove the unwanted particles present in the air. Compressed air will be removed by using this kind of filter. And regulator, which can regulate the amount of compressed air or compressed air level, pressure level. And lubrication, in our hydraulic system there is no lubrication needed because we are using the hydraulic oil, so automatically the lubrications will be taken care. Instead of here we have to give the dry air, compressed dry air, so the compulsory can produce the lubrication because we are not providing the lubrication means there is some kind of friction will be provided between these two moving parts. Here the moving parts is like piston and cylinder. So that's why here we are using the lubrication system. So which is denoted as FR. So after that we can send to the solenoid valve, which is one of the direction control valve. What is the purpose of using direction control valve means? We can control the direction of fluid flow, which means we have to control the direction of compressed air. Okay, so here we are using the 4x2 way because double acting means automatically we can use that 4x2. 4x4 means which is the number of ports are used in our BCD, and 2 means push. Already you are knowing the concept of single acting and double acting cylinder. A single acting cylinder means only one inlet port is there. We have to give the supply to the inlet port means automatically the piston moves to the forward direction. With the help of compression spring, it will be a retraction support may be taken care. In our double acting cylinder, we are having two ports. This is inlet port and another one is for outlet port. First of all, in our first position, we can directly send it to the compressed air to the inlet port. So automatically the piston moves to the forward direction. That is called extraction stroke. That is position number 1. After that, the excess pressure generated in this system will be sent into the atmospheric air by using a quick exhaust valve. What is the purpose of using quick exhaust valve? In our hydraulic system, the oil will be again recollected. In our pneumatic system, it will be sent into the atmosphere with the help of quick exhaust valve. What is the purpose of using quick exhaust valve means it can avoid the noise. Okay, because it will be directly sent into the atmosphere means it can produce some noise. So avoid this kind of noise, you can use the quick exhaust valve as well as the muffler. Okay, so this is the general working principle of pneumatic control system. Here the piston, here we are fixing the any tool or workpiece means. If we are fixing the tool means automatically can fix the cylinder in the vertical direction means automatically we can move the tool from upward direction to downward direction. So this kind of controlling will be provided in our CNC system. Okay, and another one more purpose, we have to clamp in the workpiece. For example, here we are fixing the workpiece. Okay, here only we are using one cylinder, double acting cylinder. So opposite direction we can use another one more double acting cylinder. So both the cylinders are extracted means automatically the clamping of workpiece will be taken care. Okay, so both the cylinders are retracted means automatically unclamping will be taken care. So this way we have to use or incorporated the pneumatic control system in our CNC system. This is the first type of control systems are studied in our third unit. Okay, go to next. So this is the basic hydraulic control system. First one we have to discuss pneumatic. This is only based on our for the purpose of small load applications. Okay, so small load application means only for the pressure level of 2 to 4 bar, 2 to 14 bar we have to prefer for an pneumatic system. In our hydraulic system, which is preferred for an heavy load applications. Okay, so this is the first type of pneumatic control systems. So can anyone summarize the today's class? Okay.
Sir, know about the pneumatic system and hydraulic system and working principles of the components. Many of the components we know, many components we have been used and the levels.
Okay, nice. So next class we have to discuss about the another one more control system in our CNC.